Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we have a pretty special walk around and test drive. Chad's going to be joining us in a little bit, but I figured I'd just get started. We're going to check out this really rare, special 1973 Nova hatchback. Came factory with a little camper on the back. So that's what we're doing today. We're having a little Coyote Classics camping outing in the back of the Nova.
Damn, is it time to go to work?
It's time to work, yep. That's awesome.
Dude, it's actually pretty cool in there. When I say cool, it's actually cool and neat. Look at that.
This is we're gonna have a lot of fun with this one today.
We were just talking a little bit ago. You're gonna head down to the big Iowa game. You're thinking about taking this tailgating and camping.
I don't know how much
do a full blog on it.
I'll just surprise the wife and I'll leave the house tomorrow with this and say, hey, we're going camping.
Well, look, it's even the Iowa Hawkeye color.
It is, and it came from Iowa City. One owner car.
Jeez,
this is just neat as shit. But there's only one way to show you this car, and that's right here at the campsite with the cooler, the lawn chair, and the whole 9 yards.
We got it all going on. So this is called the Hatch Rack Hutch.
Hatch Rack Hutch.
Right there.
And this is the original one that came with the car too, which is just neat how well that was kept.
Factory option.
But
right?
it sleeps comfortably. And this thing is kind of cool. One owner. All original as far as paint, interior, numbers matching motor and tranny. And if the wife wants a camper, you want a classic, go with this. And it costs probably 1/10 of the price of that camper over there, and you can have twice as much fun.
This little thing runs and drives awesome. We'll get you guys behind the wheel of this little camper car here in just a little bit.
Numbers matching 350. They went ahead and did a 4-barrel. It's got air conditioning.
I just want to point out the AC does kick in, but it's going to need a little work. We have not had time to go through and charge it and get that up to snuff. But power steering, runs and drives awesome. The kick down on the tranny works. It's something you can jump in and enjoy.
And then being a original car, original paint, you know, one owner does have some scratches, some chips. But it's got many. But what do you expect for something that's, you know, meant to take the kids out, have some fun, and also you can sleep in. It's going to have a little scratches here and there.
We did, do you see the Lava? It's called the Lava. 1973 Lava.
No.
Anyway.
It's missing half the end, but it fits.
We have the new emblem. It's just on back order, so it'll be coming here soon. So
nice.
We just went ahead and put the new wheel well molding on it, brand new rocker molding. The original rocker molding was still on the car. We also have the lower rocker molding behind the wheels. I'm just waiting for the clips.
Nice.
So that'll really look nice as well. So like Big D said earlier, really nice original car. I think it's got 120,000 miles on it. Motor obviously has had some work to it. It's all dressed up under the hood. But as far as our gap goes and stuff like that, really nice shape. Hood sticks up just a little in the back there. On this side, it's super nice.
But again, obviously, 100 little chips.
There is. I mean, it's followed a couple campers in its day, I'm sure, you know. I think went up the mountains and
it's been all over the place,
and gravels.
Man. I think it'd be so cool to take this and pull into a busy campsite, set your camp up, and then just drive away. And we'll show you in a few minutes, but that's really easy to take down.
It takes literally like 10 seconds.
Yeah.
But here's a really rare option. I mean, not that this tent option isn't, but look at this. Factory sunroof. Mm-hmm. It still has this on it, the wind guide for it, okay? This works perfect. The headliner's still nice. It does have, some surface rust around the door handle here. It's had some Bondo in the back quarter. Yes, I said the word Bondo. It does have some back there. The floor pans themselves, go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. The rear frame rails have a spot in each one of them of rust, but other than that, the floors are all original and they're really in good shape. Mm-hmm. Corner of the door fits in there good. Bottom of the fender. It's kind of nice getting down here on grass
it is.
Rather than concrete. Look at this though. Corner of the door for being used a lot. The corner of the door is awesome. Original paint all through here. Original rubber still.
And the original interior is really impressive. Like you said, the body's got some rust, but the interior looks brand new.
Yeah. Look at even the door jamb paint being all original. You know what I mean? This is just seam seal here. So the door jambs are nice and solid. The dash pad is excellent. Steering column's good. The park indicator even works yet. Park, reverse drive. Gas gauge works as well. Dash is nice. Got the fold down rear seat, obviously, right? So if his and hers want to go out and, use the Hutch
Hatchback.
rack.
That's
Yep,
tent.
that's what it's called. Here's your headliner.
And then if you want to bring the kids along to ride in the back,
Yeah,
you
go
just slip that.
Yeah, let's flip it back.
Bad boy
Show them how
up.
nice it is. Here you go. I mean, like you said, neat interior, neat pattern
It's
too.
cool.
All right, I'm going to show you how this removes. Can we remove it?
I kind of want to
I'll
just
go to the back first. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, let's show them a little bit. I kind of want to just keep this up and hang out here the rest of the day next to the river.
Yeah, it would be nice. You need something to put in that cooler before you do that.
That's true.
All right. So a lot of room here. Obviously, the back fold down rear seat goes down. Here's those new quarter extensions that we bought. Worst part about the whole car, but really, I guess who cares? The inside of this, right here, around that button, it does have some rust there. Right there.
Yeah, it is shady, and it's when you lay that seat down, you can sleep 4 in there probably.
Look around here though. Like all this is all rust free, perfect around that hatch.
That's cool. So let's say you're leaving your campsite in a hurry.
Okay.
You just unhook these.
Storm coming. Got to get out of here.
Storm coming. We gotta go. We gotta go. You just unhook them.
Okay, those two things.
You run around. You open the door.
All right, where are we going?
There's rings right here. You just pop them off. Start pulling your camper up.
He's gonna do the same thing the other side. Those factory rings go right around the door striker, and the
Yep.
door's still shut.
And the door's still shut. You just got to make sure the ring's far enough back.
Yep. Okay. All right. It even comes with a bag. We just put that in the truck just now. So that comes off. Okay.
Here,
Now
throw it in there.
throw her in there. It's like the chuck wagon races.
It is.
Throw it in there.
Yeah, if there's a storm coming or.
All right, here we go. So then these just loosen up. All this does is hold the shock all the way up. So you got to loosen that up and just let that go down on that black thing.
Yep.
I'll do mine. I'll kind of get you that way. Got it? There. Then just, I mean, you don't have to tighten that up. Just get it down on the black. That just holds that up. I mean, it'll kind of stay up mostly itself.
But when you put that
yeah.
10 on there, it gets heavy.
Yeah.
Boom, and then you're
Now-
ready to roll. No unhooking the sewer, nothing.
No sewer.
No sewer, no water.
Oh, shit. All right. But yeah, it's a good looking car, even without the camper.
Yeah, it is.
Around the back bumper still looks really nice. Super nice. Got a little electrical tape right around this corner on this rubber here, but other than that, the chrome's excellent. It's got a bunch of little chips right here, and you wonder why. Look at just getting in and out.
Yeah.
People getting in and out. Look where the chips are, right from
That's
there.
cool.
Isn't that cool? That was
Yeah.
used a lot. That's super cool. Around the back window is good. It's just the bottom part of that package tray is rusty. Other than that, around that is awesome. We might get a little shit for this, but when I seen this, man, we're like, we gotta have it.
I like it. Well, just look how even when we set the stage out here with the tent up and the lawn chairs, I just got even more excited about it. I'm like, I just kind of want to just take it camping. Really, it's awesome.
I think
And then all
someone's
the
gonna love this.
compliments and looks you'll get from fellow campers.
Fellow campers. See original paint right here. You can see where your arm been sitting on the dash. A lot of people are gonna ask, well, how's that? That's all solid original paint there. So really good car. Let's just see how it runs and drives now, should we?
Let's do it.
We're gonna open up. We got the original stickers here. Corner of the door, it's got some surface rust there where the paint's chipped, but look at that. No Bondo, no rust issues, nothing. Nice and clean there. Are we ready to break camp?
We're ready to break camp.
Let's go. Look at how nice the odometer, the lenses, all the black plastic, everything has been kept so freaking nice, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Again, gas gauge works, wipers work, put new blades on it. AC does kick on, okay? I don't think that worked, did it?
No, but it's original.
It's freaking nice.
Yeah, and the guy we bought it from was his parents bought this brand new, and he's done some camping in it.
It's got factory cruise.
That's neat.
I didn't know that. So it's very highly optioned.
Gas
This, you
gauge
put this up, right? Oh, sorry, D. Put that up. That keeps the wind out of here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can wear a hat.
If you want to close it, slide
Oh,
it forward and
works
latch
awesome.
it, but I kind of like the sun.
Yep, I do too.
This is cool. I mean, and for the money, shit, you can't, I mean,
Under 20 grand.
yeah, that's awesome.
I
Really
like your
can't go
first
wrong.
comment. I like, man, if your wife wants a camper
Yep.
and you want a classic, what the hell are you doing not calling right friggin'
Exactly.
now?
Yeah. and you could probably tow a boat with it. I don't know.
It doesn't have a hitch yet, but for $299 you can get one.
Yep.
I think a small boat, fishing boat.
Yeah, or kayaks.
That'll be great for kayaking. Don't say kayaking, then my wife's gonna want it.
Yeah.
She has a couple kayaks. Look, right here.
He loves it.
What do you know?
That is 74.
73.
Hatchback.
Yep.
Hatchback with factory tent. We were just down there at the campground. You never seen
Showed
that
her
before,
off.
have you?
Huh?
You never seen a factory tent out the back?
No.
Yeah. Hutch
Oh,
rack.
I had a 74 hatchback.
That's awesome.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, I had the same rally group.
That's awesome.
You just get it?
Yeah,
It's for sale.
it is for sale.
All right.
All right.
Gonna do any work to it?
Probably not.
Okay. Thanks.
Oh boy, we're all right. We're good. You're all right. I wasn't jumping the gun there. That's awesome.
That is fun. We might.
We just drove out of the campsite. Just had a great time.
Yep.
Got out of the campsite and already found maybe a buyer.
Yep.
I mean, it's that easy. And he don't even know it had a tent.
No, he never even seen one like it, and he had one back in the day.
Exactly.
So pretty unique little deal here. Speedo works, and that was what really impressed us right away when we drove it the first time. Before we even put the tent up,
It drives
we drove
like
it
a
and were impressed.
20,000 mile car. It
It
really
does.
does. I know it can't be, but the dash and the way it
But
drives,
almost the lenses and stuff, you know.
I know, but somebody
But,
can't, camp the hell out of this thing.
Yeah, unless you're camping right in town, which I doubt.
Yeah, that's possible, but here's what's awesome about it. As far as going down the road, it's quiet too.
Yeah.
Kick down works great. This thing corners like it's on rails. Watch.
It does.
No, suspension's awesome. That's what I'm telling you. Suspension's awesome. Training's awesome.
This is a good doomsday, if you're like a prepper, and you want something that can't be taken out with an EMP, you can, on the move, sleep in it. This
If
is
you're a
perfect
what?
for that. Like a prepper, somebody that, is prepared for whatever happens next. This is the perfect vehicle for that because it doesn't have all the electronics.
Oh shit.
You can sleep
Oh,
right in it
prepper.
on
Is that
the
what
go.
they're called? Preppers?
I think so. I think so. This is a good vehicle.
She wants to go camping.
Yep, that's mom. Mom, don't tell her this can pull kayaks or she might not let you sell it.
Oh, shit. Not a powerhouse, but it sounds good. Listen to that
It
engine.
does.
So we're gonna get it up here and then we're gonna kick it down.
Hear that 4-barrel open up. Drives great. Man, it's a
70 mile an hour. You can take this thing on the interstate, 70 mile an hour, quiet as a church mouse, heading to the hills to camp.
yeah. We've had a lot of fun with it in just the couple days that we've had it. Imagine how much fun you can have to own it. Go to the website, coyoteclassics.com, check this thing out, and give us a call. You can be the next one to pitch the tent and have a good weekend in the Nova.
Pitch the tent.
All right.
That was fucking awesome.
That was
good.
Thank you. All right, we'll see you on the next test drive.